We're going to run your test today on an A18-43. This is a 5.5 horsepower direct drive system. Really easy to operate and really easy to maintain. Just press the blue button, it does this little safety check, and then press this button, and it turns the system on. I'm just going to start hand loading these things in there. Give me one of your heavy, this is the heaviest one I've seen that goes through. You should have no issues destroying whatever you want. This is slow speed grinder. It's difficult to overfill this unit. It'll just float on the top and dance until it has a chance to dissolve it. I'm using a 6mm screen here, but if you're just doing it for destruction test, you can use a 10 or a 12 and it'll destroy everything in it. So I'll put some more in here. For your bags, your little guys. Big bag of little guys. As you can see, it's just stacking up the material in there, and it'll just work its way down into it. No real heat being built up. You can feel nothing going on. You can see it actually starting to process its way through. As it eats through it, it'll just slowly bring the other bags in. Do it kind of like a regular guy would do with a plate, just try and overstack her. But she won't overstack. But just slowly bring it all in and consume the material. A machine like this will do 160 pounds an hour of your type of material. Put more in. It's not having any problem processing this. I'm going to let it process for a while, and then I'll show you the results. So here's the results. It's really destroyed on here. No real heat on it. What I'd recommend with this unit would be for you to get a blower system attached to it, so it'll drop it right into a Gaylord, because this filled up in less than 2 minutes. So that'll help you just keep it flowing faster by having it evacuate directly into a Gaylord. I'm going to turn off the video again, and I'm going to run a special test just to show you how a dead start would look with this. I'm going to fill the machine up with material and then start it filled up with material just to show you how she'll keep going. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a bunch of your bags and fill this thing up. That's going to give you a pretty good idea of what's going on here with the machine. I'll try to get some more in there. So it's pretty well filled up. The motor's not on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to engage the motor right now to show you how the direct drive will start even though it's filled with material. machine had no issue starting up fully loaded, and your material's soft. It's got a lot of air in it, a lot of simple plastic, the packaging around it, so it's really easy. But it consumed that whole thing, and it's getting through it on about 1.5 to 2 minutes. So this should satisfy. There you go. Should satisfy